Hello, my name is Gomez.
My name is Felipe.
And together we are the Nature Explorers. Today our segment's filmed in Africa, where if you stay along and go on the adventure, we might find zebras, elephants, tigers and bears, anteaters, porcupines, and maybe Sasquatch.
Here is a tree found in all 7 continents, some parts of ocean and some parts in China.
As you see here, the tree is feeding on the leaves sitting on it. It may not appear like it, but it is actually eating them. Oh my god, the branch just moved! Oh my god, get out of here!
What we have here is the Pooposaurus. Its diet consists of rats, mice, and some cantaloupe. As we see here, it's sitting in its natural environment, the couch, in its native pink clothes. Oh my, and there we have it. It's dead. Felipe has successfully killed the Pooposaurus.
Here we have one of the fiercest fights in all of nature. The spider against Pooh. And we really don't know what's going to happen here because it is so evenly dispersed, you know, because if he touches it, it dies. Oh my god! The spider is on the move. But here comes Pooh. Ah! Oh! He's hit the spider once, but the spider's back on. The spider's now on. Oh my lord.
Should I just kill it now? No, don't.
But here comes Pooh again. Oh, Pooh has won. Pooh has won and destroyed the spider. Oh wait, it's still alive. No.
It's Uzi.
Spider
Kill it
has
with the wood
died.
chip.
And in the winner's circle, Pooh and his... Oh!
1, 2, 3.
Pooh has won.
Woo!
Pooh has destroyed
You are champion.
the spider.
Viewer discretion is advised.
During Felipe's lunch break, this thing we really didn't want to happen, but didn't really, kind of didn't thing, happened.
My candy and fluff.
Oh, it's Sasquatch! It is Sasquatch! Oh my lord! Oh my lord! It has died. Oh, seems to have a twitching fit now, folks. It is. Oh yeah! Oh, it's killing Senor Felipe. Senor Felipe has killed him. Let's examine the dead body of Sasquatch. Now, a thing a lot of people don't know about Sasquatch, both male and female Sasquatch have genitals. A lot of people didn't know that. And they both respond to a strong kicking of genital. And they never really do die. They act like they die, but then they just get back up. But then they just end up dying again. The only real way to kill them is to put a golden bullet in their left thigh.
Curve the bullet.
Sasquatch is no more. Oh, maybe it is. It's dead.
Oh, that was just great, Luke. We should have a... Oh, hello. My name.
No Brokeback Mountain going on this show, young man.
Join with our next segment, visiting Egypt, Atlantis, or some other place like that.